people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite natural hair accessories. These are just some accessories that I use to kind of, you know, spice up my natural hairstyles, make me feel like I'm actually doing something. Like maybe it's just a super casual hairstyle, but putting these little accessories in my hair makes me feel like so special, you know what I mean? So if you're interested in learning how to do all of these different styles, stay tuned and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel because there's only more of where this is coming from. Only more of the goodness, guys. All right, let's get into the video. So just to start off, this is a twist out that I just took down earlier today. I actually used the Myo Organics twisting souffle, and I have a product review somewhere on my channel, so you should definitely check that out if you like the way that this twist out came out. It's a little messy right now. The first accessory I'm going to be using is this headband. I actually got it from Michael's, the craft store, and they actually have like really cool hair accessories. So it comes with two combs on the side right here. And for me, especially if I want to wear my hair down, sometimes if my front's not looking good to like wear as a bun or as a side part, I just do my edges a little bit and then put on a headband, and that's what I'm going to do now to show you guys. So these next accessories that I'm going to use are just these little jewels. I've actually shown you guys these before in some of my other hair tutorials, and I literally get these from the beauty supply for like $1 for a pack of like 100. So you just separate it. You find, ooh, I have my nails on, guys. It's a little awkward. You just unravel them. It's kind of like aluminum or something. It's some really malleable material. You just spread it apart, and what I like to do is just put them on the twist and close down, and so it makes it look like you literally have like jewels. It actually looks like it's like some sort of a headband when really it's just a twist, your own basic twist with some jewels. And I get a lot of compliments on whenever I put these in my hair, and I'm like, literally it's like $1 and it's so easy. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so I just put my hair in a bun. This is more of like a chill style, or if you're on like 4th day hair or something. And this next product I'm really excited to try and to use because I've been wanting one for so long, and I finally got some. It's by the company Beautifully Warm, and what they do is they create these hats that literally are for naturalistas, because it's like, it looks like a normal hat in the front, and then it has this elastic part in the back so that you can literally have like your puffs. This is especially would have been so nice when I like didn't have enough hair to even put it in a low bun. I still don't ever put my hair in like a high bun, but in a low bun I didn't even have enough hair. Like my hair was so short back then that I couldn't do it. I needed to wear a puff, so I couldn't wear hats, and it was just so annoying. But this is like, I'm so excited. So I got 3 hats. The first one is this pink one, and it has a BW for Beautifully Warm, and you literally just place it on your head. Oh girl, look at this. This is like the perfect length too, because if you can see in the back. I'll just fluff up my hair. I don't know what it looks like. And you can even have it overflowing in the top, but as you can see, it has this band right here, and it's just so comfortable. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So this is the first one. Another of the same one as the first one, but it's purple, and purple is my favorite color. Oh, these are so cool. Like, I'm so excited about these because actually it doesn't feel tight or anything on my head. It just feels so comfortable, and you can literally like have your puff as big or as small as you want it. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect. And then my favorite one is this burgundy one. So it still has the same logo on it, but it's like kind of like, what's the word for like suede? I don't know. It's so cute. This is so cute. I literally am wearing a hat as a naturalista. Oh my gosh. I'm like so excited about this. I'm gonna leave this one on for the outro. Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned a thing or two. These are my favorite accessories to use because they're so easy, but they're also so cute. It makes it look like you tried, you know, and I'm like the queen of making it look like I tried when I did like minimal effort. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!